Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by charging the battery to at least 50% before you begin. This prevents mid-restore shutdowns and data corruption risks. Back up all important data to Google Drive or to a PC with at least 8 GB free. Sign in to your Google account and confirm two-factor authentication status. Have a compatible USB cable and a computer ready with the latest Nokia USB drivers installed. Note your Nokia model name and IMEI before proceeding with any reset or firmware flash operations. If the phone is responsive, perform a factory reset from settings to restore software defaults. Go to Settings, System, Reset Options, then select Erase all data to start the reset. If the phone is unresponsive, boot to recovery mode and clear the cache partition first to attempt a soft restore. A factory reset removes apps and personal data, but leaves the bootloader and installed firmware intact. After reset, sign back into your Google account to restore contacts and app data from backups. When factory reset fails, flash the stock firmware using official Nokia files and the Nokia Flash tool. Download the exact firmware for your model and verify checksums to ensure integrity before you flash. Connect the phone to the computer with a USB cable and follow the tool prompts to enter flashing mode. Unlock the bootloader only if necessary, knowing that unlocking may void warranty and will erase all data. Keep the battery above 50% and do not disconnect the USB connection during the entire flash process to avoid bricking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.